Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dehancer DaVinci. First, ensure your system meets Dehancer's requirements, which typically involve sufficient GPU memory for smooth performance. Once confirmed, install the Dehancer plugin according to the provided instructions. After installation, launch DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Fusion or Color page. We will then establish a dedicated node for Dehancer, usually placed after primary corrections, but before final output adjustments, ensuring maximum flexibility and control over your footage. Once Dehancer is active on your node, you will encounter the Emulation panel. Here, choose from a vast library of film stocks, each offering unique color characteristics and tonal responses. Experiment with different options like Codec Vision 3, Fuji Eterna, or Cinestill for varying aesthetics. Next, move to the print panel, which allows you to simulate different printing processes. Adjust parameters like push and pull processing, contrast, and color separation to refine your chosen film look, enhancing the depth and texture of your footage. Dehancer offers powerful advanced controls to further enhance your cinematic vision. Introduce realistic film grain, adjusting its size and amount to mimic various film stocks and capture the natural imperfections of analog capture. Explore the bloom effect, which softens highlights and creates a beautiful glow, and halation, which simulates the red light spill around bright areas, adding a subtle warmth. Finally, fine-tune film compression and gate weave to achieve an even more authentic film print appearance, bringing a distinct character to your visuals. After meticulously crafting your desired film look, it is time for export. Before rendering, ensure all Dehancer parameters are finalized, as changes afterward would require re-rendering. Navigate to DaVinci Resolve's Deliver page and select your preferred output format and codec, such as H.264 or ProRes, for optimal quality. Pay attention to resolution and frame rate to match your project settings. Perform a final quality check on your exported video, confirming the filmic aesthetic holds up across different playback devices, ensuring your hard work translates perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.